Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Epson I1600 Printhead. First, get yourself a good quality printhead. This one's from Jay's Printers. You'll notice this printhead has 4 dampers, right? So we'll just get to it. So this is the front of your printhead. This would make this the left and the right side of your printhead and the back of your printhead. This will be the first challenge you need to overcome. And then your printhead board, at least if you're using a Hanzo soft or type printhead, it will look like this one here. Right here. Typically your H1, which you'll see over here, this one's marked H1. This one over here is marked H2. So this is your head 2, head 1. Typically head 1 is color, follows color. So I'll make this one white. You'll also notice some marks, left down, left up, right up on that, and that'll indicate where the wires go. Talked about left and right. So we know this is the left. Well, I'm using a forward-facing camera, so I might be pointing at the wrong side. But the left side, the sticker's always in the front, which makes this the left side. And then your up and down refer to the wires here, because we have up and down wires here. Okay, so you need to get the ribbon cables. If your machine might have already ribbon cables in them, I suggest always replacing the ribbon cables when you replace your heads. Take a look at your print head very closely. There's my camera. And you'll notice one side has metal tabs and the other side does not. In each slot, there's 2 slots that we're looking at. Your ribbon cable, one side has metal tabs, one side does not. So we'll make sure the metal tabs are touching the side with the metal. So you'll see here, like this one, we're going like this. And then this one, like this. Whoopsie daisy, I almost pulled a rookie move there. Alright, so some people like to go ahead and seal these. These are high quality print heads and will last a very long time. So I would suggest getting a silicone, which you can find from Jay's Printers. I have a link in the description, or just regular 100% silicone. That's fine. It's cheap. So go ahead and we want a silicone between here and all the way around this on both sides and allow that to fully cure before we install the print head. So go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and skip that one for now, but for the video, but I would suggest siliconing these so your print heads don't fry out prematurely. I'm going to go ahead and install our color print head first, and for this one the color print head's in the back because it's a DTF printer. You can see here, gently set this to the side. Let's go find a screwdriver. By the way, I'm sampling this on the J24, and something you may not know is that the 3200 and the 1600 hook up the same way, and on the J24 DTF printer, you can actually upgrade this simply by changing the head, flashing the firmware to an i3200 print head, but it comes with 1600 print heads. So now when they're new, the print heads are installed. I'm just doing it for the video for you guys. Don't give me that. All right, so there's 4 screws here. We'll go ahead and remove these 4 screws with just a number 2 Phillips head screw. Okay, so now we should be able to lift this up. Not all models have this, but this one has this nifty little thing here to help hold your dampers in place. So now, this being the front of your that being the front of the print head, we'll go towards the front of the machine. We'll just gently sit this down, being careful not to scratch your print head. And install your screws. This is taking the right side, the wire that's on the top, or your up wire, and feeding it up to your headboard. Okay, now I'm going to take the one that's on the top on the left side and do the same. So the only wires up here are the ones that are on the top of your print head. So we have this one, which was the left up, which is this side. And again, make sure your metal is connected to the metal. Okay, and this one is right up, which is right next to it. And by the way, you can pinch these, kind of keep them out of the way here. I'm just going to go underneath the hood. All right, now we'll feed up the lower ones. Left up. Sorry, right, left down, right down. All right, get a better shot. You can see right here, right up, where it's saying it. And then the reference here is on the top of that one. There are so many when you're dealing with the I1600 heads. So many cables. But there you have it. It's ready to go. Don't forget to load your ink and get your nozzle checked. Hey guys, I'm Jay. Thanks for stopping.